What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Play With Your Food. Today we have 4 items to bring you and one bobblehead Remy.
And before the video, we told her to let it all out. He's doing it in the middle. And yes, I am on my knees.
Alright, so the first item we have is the 2015 winner of Do Us a Flavor, the Lay's Pick a Flavor contest, and it is the Southern Biscuits and Gravy.
Whee! Yay.
So yeah, let's go ahead and get those started.
So we'll start with this first, right, Dad?
Yeah.
Doing this. And first we're going to smell it. Yeah, we're going to smell it. With the baby.
Well, I want to smell the bag
So
first.
here's how it looks.
It smells weird.
That smells like gravy.
Yeah, it does. Let's
Like
taste
mushroom
it.
gravy.
Yeah.
Let's taste it. Let's taste it.
Like sausage gravy. Mushroom gravy.
It's weird.
It really does. They are really good.
It tastes like pickles.
These are biscuits with gravy.
It does taste like a biscuit with
With
gravy.
some sausage.
It tastes so good.
It does.
That's
It's
very strange.
very weird.
Good job, ladies. Good job.
It's not strange in a bad way. It's strange that a chip would taste like a biscuit and gravy.
Not so much.
And it says it right on the bag.
You
You mean
wouldn't-
my bag?
You wouldn't think it would taste like this, but
I know.
like I bit it and it tasted like a biscuit. And then when you're chewing it, the seasoning has a gravy flavor to it.
What do you mean that?
That is really good.
What do you mean that, Dad?
If you haven't tried those, I suggest you do it.
Yeah, those are good.
No? Alright.
Alright, the next one we have is I don't know if it was part of any contest, but it's Lay's Chinese Szechuan chicken.
Szechuan.
So chop it off! Didn't work.
Yeah. So let's see what this one's all about. Now I'm interested
And
because that one tasted so much like it.
I know.
then we need to smell it and taste it.
Oh, you're silly, man.
Let's taste it. Let's smell it. I didn't know. It really has a really strong scent to it.
Does it?
I want to smell the bag.
What's me?
Come on.
Stick your big nose in there so the rest of us can eat chips.
It's hot.
We still got a handful of other chips.
Dad, let's eat it.
Well, I'm hungry.
Oh God, it's hot. That's hot. That's hot.
Here, have a
Okay,
big
it
one.
smells really good.
Smells like teriyaki chicken.
Here you go. It's hot.
But it has a chip. No.
Dad,
Oh.
you can have it. Can I taste it? Hot. Can I get juice?
It does have a spice to it.
Not a super
me.
hot spice.
And it's not super hot and spicy, but it does have a spice to it.
It's more like you could tell there's some peppers on there. Not.
Thank you, Dad.
I'm not saying it's burning my face off.
It's not hot Cheeto hot.
Yeah, it's just like, oh yeah, there's some peppers in here, but nothing that's gonna melt your face.
Yeah.
So if you can't handle really hot foods, that's
Then
not gonna bother you.
next one.
If you can't handle nacho cheese Doritos, they'll bother you.
Then next one.
But all in all, though, it's got a pretty decent flavor.
It does.
I like
It's something that I would probably
the
eat all the time.
Yeah.
Mommy, not yet. We're doing the last chip.
Just because I
Those
do
ones
like spicy chips. But it has a really good flavor, and I don't know if it tastes like Szechuan
I
chicken.
need that baby chip. Happy
No, I
baby chips.
It does taste pretty good though.
I'm showing it to them. I did the front and the
Okay,
back.
so what you saw Remy holding up is our next item. It's pink lemonade Pop-Tarts. And I saw these in the store the other day, and I grabbed them because it kind of looked like SpongeBob to me. When I passed by, I was like, oh, SpongeBob Pop-Tarts. And then it wasn't SpongeBob Pop-Tarts.
It was actually actually
This is what
different.
they look like.
Here.
Hold on, Ram. Hold on.
Why are we opening like a million of them? Leave it alone.
Let's smell
Let's
it.
get that one.
Gotta smell it first.
So here's what the inside looks like. All pink and stuff.
Let's smell
Smells
it.
like pink lemonade.
Yeah.
Actually, it kind of smells like Play-Doh.
It does. Yeah, we good.
Well, yeah.
You
Let's
smelled
taste
Play-Doh
it.
before and ate it?
Ah,
Yes, I have.
Might have.
Uh-huh.
I'm a good boy.
got time eat it. That's so good. It actually tastes like lemonade.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yes.
I might become diabetic from this, guys.
Mm-hmm.
It's very sweet.
I love it. Get me to switch stuff.
Okay, it's very sweet. Does it taste like pink lemonade? Yeah, it's got a bit of a pink lemonade flavor. But it's more of like a really sugary pink lemonade
Exactly.
I love it.
versus a tart pink lemonade, which I prefer the tart.
Mm-hmm.
I prefer the pink lemonade.
Toasted
Yeah.
strudels.
Not that bad,
Mm-mm.
but it's more, well, I mean, Pop-Tarts usually think kids eating them, so lots of sugar and sweet. They like it. Anyways, enough of that stuff. Now on to the Feast de Resistance. Chicken and waffles.
The breakfast one.
I got from
It says flavor all-star on there, so.
breakfast to lunch to dinner.
So this is lunch, right
I
there?
want lunch
Dinner.
again.
Oh. I'm a drink stirrer.
Your drink's
This
good.
is how it looks. Has a syrupy flavor. Smell.
does.
Not flavor, smell.
Yeah.
Syrupy smell.
That's what that smell is. I couldn't place it.
Like they poured syrup on the chips.
Sorry, I had juice on me.
Tastes like a regular chip. And smells like syrup. That's it.
No, I tasted syrup
Maybe
in it.
you got a bad one because that one had syrup.
Oh, no, that's mine. I
Mine
want to
tastes-
the whole one
But it doesn't have it doesn't have a
Chicken flavor.
I
I taste the
chicken.
waffle
That kind of
tastes a lot of
tastes like
syrup.
this.
and the.
That tastes
Gotta
a
eat
lot
more
of
to
syrup.
eat.
It kind of has a waffly flavor, like if they sprinkled some waffle batter in there. But I don't taste any chicken.
Mm-mm.
It's probably the grease, man. The grease is part of chicken.
They fried it in chicken grease.
Yep.
Well,
KD.
I would say my favorite would probably be the biscuit one. Really tripped me out. But the one I could see myself eating the most would probably be the Szechuan chicken.
Mhm. Me too.
I'll go for this one.
Little Pop-Tart.
Pop Tart.
What about you, Katie Bug?
I go for everything but the chicken one.
Chicken.
Everything but the
I'll pick
Szechuan
one.
chicken.
Yeah.
I know you thought that was spicy. How about you, Chase?
Everything but the Pop-Tart is too sweet for me.
Everything but the Pop-Tart. I love everything but the...
So there you have it. That's what we got for you this week. We will be back next week with more foods for you guys to check out. If you have tried any of these, let us know down below what you thought of them. If you haven't, we suggest you go try them and then let us know what you
But
thought.
you have to get 1,000 money. And tell us, what do you think of it down below? And make sure you give us a video. I
Also,
more,
if you have any suggestions, let us know. And we'll go try to find it.
Bye.
We'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Chip